follow this because that would be key in the other questions. This is an exam question. That's why it's got that E next to it. So now, since we had 26, we want to find which group it would found, which group it will be inside. So the first thing we do is 26 divided by 2. Divided by 2, it gives us 13. So the 13 value will be found inside the group 0 to 1. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, that's once you establish that. And let me draw the class thing there so that we can put the numbers inside. So we have the class starts from 0 and it goes up to, say, 0 up to 1.5 because you can run 1.4 down to 1. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
The class. So this class that's 0 to 1, you can write it as 0.5 or, sorry, you can write it as 0 to 1.5, or it's exactly 1.4999. 2 to 3 is between 1.5 to 2.5. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So here we have 0 all the way to 1.5. Remember, we're finding an estimate. So even if you use 1 instead of 1.5, it wouldn't still be a problem because you find an estimate here. Now, the frequency class. So this one is the breakdown of this is for in terms of the class. The bottom one in terms of the frequency. The frequency, it goes from 0 and the biggest is 18. Because we're not adding nothing to it. And now we want to find the midpoint. Let's say the midpoint is there, M. And they say it happened at the 13th value. So the way to look at it is this blue line, M minus 0, divided by the short line divided by the long line. It should be equals to the short green line divided by the long green line. This is the way to remember interpolation. So how do we work out the short blue line? M take away 0. You happy with that?
Yeah.
The long blue line, 1.5 take away 0 is equals to the short green line, 13 take away 0. The long blue line, 18 take away 0. Now you simplify it. M take away 0 is M. 1.5 take away 0 is 1.5. 13 take away 0 is 13. 18 take away 0 is 18. So M now is 13 over 18 times 1.5, which will give you that answer of approximately 1.08 to 3 significant figure. So that's how you do the linear interpolation. Even if you write a formula, that's what the formula will be doing. The formula will be like this number divided minus this number all over this one, and then you can write it in different ways. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go back now to that number